Hey, this is Drew Page. Welcome to the Drew Page channel. In this video, we are going to break down the bankruptcy filing that was made by InfoWars and Alex Jones in regard to the Sandy Hook shooting case. Today, news broke that there was a bankruptcy filing where Alex Jones's InfoWars had been sued previously by those in the Sandy Hook community because Alex Jones had indicated that the shooting was a conspiracy. And as a result, there was a lawsuit filed in Connecticut. There have been issues throughout the case in regards to his refusing to comply to answers, to have discovery. He was fined $75,000 initially for not showing up to a deposition, and the judge later ordered that all that money had to be paid back because he did eventually show. And now the news broke today that the InfoWars leader has now filed for bankruptcy. So I want to take a quick minute to talk about what a Chapter 11 bankruptcy is. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, hit the notification bell, and please make sure to comment your thoughts on this. So a Chapter 11 bankruptcy is different from a Chapter 7. A Chapter 7 is basically a discharge and is the most stringent form of bankruptcy. A Chapter 11 bankruptcy is a reorganization. It allows someone to be able to have some time to restructure their business or to restructure their financial lives so that they can put things back in a working order. Now, I'm not licensed to practice in any bankruptcy court, so if you have a bankruptcy, make sure that you consult with a bankruptcy attorney. So this information is provided for you just for educational purposes and for purposes of commentary. But here's the information on a Chapter 11. So for instance, with this particular case, filing for InfoWars will allow Alex Jones to be able to reorient some of the assets and liabilities that the company has. It's not entirely clear whether he has filed him personally for bankruptcy, simply that the InfoWars has filed for bankruptcy at this point. I've been trying to find that information all day and get an actual copy of the bankruptcy petition, but I haven't been successful in finding that. If you're able to find it, please let me know where it is so that I can seek it out. I know that it's in the Southern District Court of Texas, the U.S. Southern District Court, and unfortunately I wasn't able to get that through the public documents that I'm normally able to. So if you find it, let me know. But at any rate, the key reason why he's doing this is because there's a provision under United States Bankruptcy Code which allows for an automatic stay. So an automatic stay says essentially that when a person files for bankruptcy, any pending judgment or pending court case where there's litigation that could have some sort of financial income issue, particularly something that relates to the parties in the bankruptcy, that all creditors must cease from trying to collect under those things. So essentially the court case that's going on in Connecticut has now pressed the pause button, because while the bankruptcy hearing is ongoing, the hearing has to be paused until the bankruptcy court allows the state court to continue, or the trustee of the bankruptcy then comes in and substitutes as the party that is being sued for Alex Jones's InfoWars. Now, the only other way that you can try, that the plaintiffs in Sandy Hook case could try to continue on with the case, is to seek what's called a relief from stay. There are certain provisions in the bankruptcy code that allow you to petition the bankruptcy court to grant a party relief from stay. And I've actually had to do that in some personal injury cases. I had an accident case here in Virginia that was pending. The party we were suing was in bankruptcy, so we had to hire a bankruptcy attorney to petition the court for relief from stay so that we could continue on in our collection efforts with the personal injury case, which we were able to do, by the way. We got relief from stay and were able to continue with our personal injury suit, got a good settlement for our clients. And of course, not every case is the same, so just because it worked out in this case doesn't mean it will work out in every other case. But that being said, they could petition the court for relief from stay by getting a bankruptcy attorney to do that. Otherwise, like I said, the bankruptcy trustee will step into the shoes of InfoWars on the Sandy Hook lawsuit as the defendant that will be sued. And then, of course, the judgment will likely be negotiated, and any other liabilities will be negotiated as a result of the bankruptcy as well. It does have a negative impact on credit, though not to the same extent as a Chapter 7. But as far as being able to keep the business going, the Chapter 11 does allow the business to continue both while the bankruptcy is pending and can also continue on after the bankruptcy concludes. So what do you think about this move of an automatic stay? Do you think it's just a delay tactic for negotiation? Do you think that he's ultimately going to have to pay the piper? Do you agree that he should be able to do this? Let me know in the comments. Hope you found this video helpful. Again, my name is Drew Page. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, hit the notification bell, and until next time, stay tuned.